What a Shafiri Uzet Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SAD Ski. And on this one today, we got you. Fewer Orlando Pirates faces. Some co-Pirates adopt Guardiola's post-championship league strategy. Orlando Pirates have released 12 players while in just bringing seven or signing rather ahead of the 2026-2027 season, raising questions about whether the Buccaneers are adopting a Manchester City Pep Guardiola style approach that prioritizes a trusted core over squad depth. And the strategy mirrors Pep Guardiola's post championship league blueprint in 2023 when City focused on quality over some ordinary players. Pirates won the treble last season, including league title for the first time in 14 years, with expectations to defend at Hall and compete in the CAF Champions League. The reduced squad size represent a calculated gamble on continuity and cohesion. Among the departures, Relebohile Mofokeng stands out as the headline exit, sold to Royal Union and for the figure price of 3.5 million pounds, or rather euros. Tsaofatso Mabasa and Bandile Shandu left while Sipombule, Karim Kimvudi and Gilberto parted ways on free transfers. Tabiso Libitze and Tsepo Mashilani moved to Stellenbosch FC. Skukune United on loan. Um, while respectively Thabiso Sesane and Rasebocha transferred to Siwelele Football Club, with Siabonga Ndlozi joining Skukune United. Aphiwe Betlile recently signed will also return to the squad, or rather to his former representative team. But yeah, do tell me what you think about those news down below the comment section. Do you think Orlando Pirates is right by taking the Pep Guardiola approach, or do you think the other way around? From your boy Isaac Wesoness, Umtarwin Chumba. How am I?
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Sibele Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is